my name is Allan Askar, and today we're going to see how we can use Windows Phone 7 to extend our music life. Many times you've been to situations where you like the music and you need to ID music, get music, and maybe extend the musical experience. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I have in my hands the Windows Phone 7 from HTC called HD7. Highly recommended, very great model, and that's what we're going to use as our demo. Alright, shall we continue?
Alright, now we can continue our little demo. First, let's introduce the ambient noise, and by that we will actually turn the music on. I have a little sample of Far East Movement by G6 by Far East Movement, and that's what we're going to play. So pretend you're in a club or somewhere else, and now you need to turn your device. Sorry, I would have to protect my... Alright, so now at this particular point we're launching the Shazam and identifying the music. Alright, identification worked fine. Identification went fine, and now we're ready to jump to the Zune marketplace to see if we can purchase it. I already purchased it, but what I can do, I can try another song. I purchased this guy. Let me do another one. And what we would like to do is to purchase this song. It's karaoke style, so it's not gonna have any lyrics, but you'll see exact experience. So you're purchasing through the Zune marketplace, and it's pending right here. You can see it. So right now it's downloading. Keep in mind my connection right now is Wi-Fi, so it will be a little bit slower if you're actually going over G3 or G4 with your connection. But here the purpose is to demonstrate the feature rather than actual speed. Okay, downloading 100% in collection. So at this particular point I can launch it from here, and at this particular point, let me make it a little bit. Here we go. Now at this particular point I can launch the PicoLyrics. So now we can continue by turning the device on and starting our music. So bear with me for a second, I need to unlock it again. Alright, so at this particular point we can go to the music. That was last played music. We just continue. And the interesting thing that song is downloaded, we're playing it, and we would like to extend the experience by lyrics. So while it's playing, we're launching lyrics, and at this particular point it's doing identification and live scrolling as music goes on. So this way you can see right away we really enhanced our experience. We can sing along or learn lyrics at this particular point. Please keep in mind that integration is quite seamless. I can pause here, or I can pause on built-in controller, which controls music regardless what it plays. I can lock the device, unlock it again, well, turn it on, and without even unlocking, continue playing music. At this particular point, if I would like to get back to the lyrics, I still can do it. You can see that the application still remembers that's the last one to run, and it just continues from the point where the music catches up. So let me pause it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and Windows Phone 7 in my opinion is a very good platform with a lot of potential, so give it a try. See you, bye.